and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's a new year. Happy 2024. Feels weird saying that, but we are here. We are in 2024, guys. Hope you had a wonderful New Year's Eve, and I hope you're having a great New Year's Day. So, I had a little headache this morning, but hey, we'll work that off. So, as you can see, we are back on the Pokemon Soda Funko Pop side of the garage today because we have I don't really know what's here. I think it's Pokemon and maybe some other stuff that I purchased from LSAPC over on Whatnot, as well as a mystery envelope here that came off of Mercari. Now, this is a $4.97 mystery envelope that should contain Pokemon cards. $4.97 with free shipping. So, hey, let's go for it, right? Why not? Let's rip into it. Let's do the Mercari first. Mercari first here. Don't know what we're getting into here. Okay. Wrapped up in bubble wrap. Says thank you. Okay. I don't remember the particulars of this. I think it was pretty much a hit or miss type thing because it was again $4.97, and they sent me that offer. It was I think $8.99, and they sent me $4.99 or $4.97, whatever it was, with free shipping. I'm like, okay, why not? So looks like we got some loose cards here. We got, geez, here we go. We'll just show these off. We got three boom code cards from random decks. Scarlet and Violet, Obsidian Flames, Obsidian Flames, and Obsidian Flames. So I'm feeling we're going to have some Obsidian Flame cards here. So let's see what we got. We got Thimepole, Doval, Bonsley, Togepi, Basic Energy, Meltan, Scyther, Zigzagoon, Palpitoad, another Basic Energy, a Fungus, Pornard, Charlotte, Buttlebee, Exodrill, Charmeleon, Beartic, Larvesta, Oinkalone, and Oddish. Okay, we probably got like 14 something cards. Probably more than that, but we have a pack. We have a pack of Trick or Trade. These are the newer ones because the other ones have Gengar on them. So we have Duskull and Chandler. Then Miss Magus. Okay. We've had really good luck with these Pokemon cards here locally. We have a Facebook group. It's the ROLLA $1 auction. And everything starts at $1. You can do it for 24 hours. But here, just before Christmas, they did like a week's worth of short sales. You could do them for 4 or 5 hour auctions. Still do 24 hours if you wanted to, but most people did 4 or 5 hour auctions. I would throw 40 to 50 cards up in a stack, just kind of randomly put them out, take a picture of them. And I was getting $5, $6, $10 for a stack of 50 cards. So it works out to get rid of them. So, all right, we do have one in a sleeve too. So I think there's one. Oh, it's in a penny sleeve as well. Nice. All right, so it's in a top load and a penny sleeve. If I can get it out of there. Jeez. Come on. Jeez. Ugh. Man, it wants to come out of here as hard as I want to go back to work tomorrow. So, oh, we got a Vavoom. A Varoom. I believe, by the looks of it, that's going to be probably an Obsidian Flame card. Not real sure. Varoom. Okay. 206 out of 197. So we'll probably look the price of that up, throw it at the end of the video. Maybe we got lucky. Maybe that paid for the pack. Probably not. Probably not. I would say this is pretty much a bust. But again, for like $4, you can't beat it. All right, let's get into this LSAPC box. The box here has a great story. I received it from Pop Force 1. When they did the Pop Force 1 con, had a t-shirt and some other stuff in it. I used it to send something to LSAPC, and they returned the box with what I bought from them on their Whatnot auction. So, very fun. Made its way around. All right. Let's see what we got here. Just pull one out. Glow in the dark, dark glow in the dark Dino Surprise. Oh, I remember these. Okay, I think I got like 4 of them for $1 or something. So, but they're glow in the dark dinosaurs. See what we got. Oh, it's a Brontosaurus, baby. Just leaving the scene. All right, so we got a bunch of these, I think, if I remember correctly. Yep. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 8 of them. 8 of these babies. Let's open 1 or 2 more here. See what we get. They bought some Amazon restock boxes, and they pulled these out of there. So, oh, we got a, is that a Stegosaurus maybe? No, no. There we go. It's been a long time since I've studied dinosaurs, so I'm old, but I'm not that old. All right, and then we got this guy, T-Rex maybe. I don't know. He's got arms like he'd be a mean T-Rex. So, and then we got 5 more. We will not open those. We'll probably open those at another time. We have a big video coming up. We got a lot of mystery minis we'll open. We'll probably open those up at the same time. So, all right, awesome, awesome. We still got the box to go from LSAPC, Jeremy and Mitchie over there. So let's get into that. Here's the box that we shipped them. This thing's made it around the world 2 or 3 times now. They put a beautiful frog on there for us. So, right. Yeah, those were $1 for 4 of those. I bought 2 packs of them, and then I did buy this as well. Oh, they did throw in another. That's a T-Rex. That's a T-Rex. That's a Brontosaurus, maybe. I don't know. But I did buy this. It's a copper fit face protector. Not that I'm all big on the face shields or face protectors, but these do come in handy when snow plowing. The copper fit ones, you can wash them. They're warm, and they really work good. And for $5, I couldn't pass it up. It's like 19 or 20 bucks in the store. So, right, and then there's a soda. There's a Hopper soda, and there's something else in here too. But there's a Hopper soda. I don't remember buying a Hopper soda. All right, so I don't know if it's the common or the chase. Just Hopper is looks like a strawberry donut maybe with his cup of Joe there. Oh, okay. So it is the common, but this is an LSAPC custom soda. He even customized the Pog, but it's the AP. So awesome. Awesome. So I'm assuming that the coffee cup and this, let's see, probably the coffee cup and the donut were painted different. Very cool. Very cool. We have not opened any of these, but this will definitely go back here in the soda cabinet. As you can see, guys, we set the soda cabinet back up. We've got some different stuff over here, some different stuff over here as well. A lot of it's the same, but we have downsized quite a bit too. So, you know, time changes and collecting changes. So, bonus item: keep it, sell it, just don't eat it. Much love, Jeremy. Okay. I have a feeling what this is because I could kind of see through it. We're gonna. It is a PSA Pokemon card. We're gonna show you guys first. I'm not gonna look. Okay, is it a good one? Let me know. Let me know. Give me some thumbs up in the comment section. All right, I'm gonna take a look. Oh, it's a Pikachu 2023. Very cool card. Mint 9. That is awesome. That is an awesome. That will be my first ever graded Pokemon card, actually. Um, yeah, first ever. So definitely these two pieces will go in the collection back here, and they will never go anywhere. Thank you so much, Jeremy Mitchie. You guys are amazing over there. Guys, if you're not subscribed to Jeremy Mitchie's channel, LLSAPC, please do. Also, go check out J&M Paranormal and follow that channel as well. Guys, as always, be Disney Who Being. Again, Happy New Year. And you'll be seeing a lot of us this year. We'll see you later. Bye.